Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Drew. In this video I'm going to paint the upper surface of the F-105, and this is going to be in the three-color Southeast Asia camo scheme. I'll start first with the brown and then work my way up to the darker greens. I'm using the Vallejo Model Air colors for this, and their equivalent for the Southeast Asia camouflage. I have masked the bottom of the plane. I used a sticky tack worm to differentiate between the gray and the upper camouflage surfaces, and that is kitchen wrap you see there as well. It works, and it helps save tape, and you can just stick it to your sticky tack or to your tape and use that as a mask. Okay, it's time to start moving on to the greens. This is FS34102. This is Vallejo's version of medium green. They call it US dark green, so it's kind of confusing. I added a couple drops of white just so I can make sure I see the difference between the light green and then the dark green. I also decided to freehand airbrush this. I got a small needle conversion kit from my Badger Patriot, and I'm going to give it a shot. If you look at pictures of these in real pictures, the camo was feathered, there was overspray, so I'm not too worried about being exactly precise and clean. Just thin your paint down a little bit, turn the pressure down, keep your needle close, and I'm going to go for it. Now it's time to get the dark green on. This is FS34079. Vallejo calls it US Forest Green, and I'm glad I lightened up the light green because there's a very distinct difference between the two, which looks really good when it's completed, so you can definitely tell the difference, and that's the effect I wanted. I didn't get all of the painting on video. I had my camera in the awkward position, and oftentimes you just see my hand, but we'll have some pictures here in a minute of the completed model with all the camouflage and unmasking on it. So after painting, I sealed everything in with a gloss coat, and I'm on to decals.
There wasn't a ton of decals on this. We had just a few little stencils on the bottom. Alright guys, that'll be the next video. We'll finally finish up the assembly and get her done. Alright guys, take care. Thank you.